Hello everyone! In this video, we will explore how to install and configure OpenLiteSpeed on Ubuntu in a detailed and easy-to-understand way. Before installing any software, ensure your system is fully updated to avoid unexpected errors. Next, some essential tools like NetTools, curl, and Wget facilitate a smooth installation process. To install OpenLiteSpeed, we will use the official script from the Lightspeed repository. Next, proceed with the OpenLiteSpeed installation. Once installed, ensure OpenLiteSpeed is set to start automatically when the system boots. To check the status of OpenLiteSpeed, if everything is functioning properly, you will see a message indicating that the service is running. At this moment, the web server is running. Access the server's IP address via port 8088 to check. Next, we need to set a password for the admin account to access the OpenLiteSpeed management page. Okay, you can now access the OpenLiteSpeed admin panel. Enter your admin account and password. Here, you can easily manage and configure OpenLiteSpeed. Set up virtual hosts, configure HTTP/HTTPS, manage PHP, optimize performance, and monitor server activity. By default, OpenLiteSpeed serves websites on port 8088. However, you can change it to port 80, but you need to ensure that no other web service is using port 80. Now, you can access the web server with the new port. Next, we need to open the necessary ports for OpenLiteSpeed to allow external access. That's it! We've completed the basic setup and configuration of a web server. See you in the next video.